Imagine creating YouTube videos without cameras, mics, or hours of editing, all in just a few clicks. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Watch this.
The power of a day on the farm. Imagine waking up at dawn, the air crisp, and the promise of a new day ahead. Now picture stepping onto fertile soil, a place where dreams are grown through sweat and grit. A day on the farm isn't just work. It's a metaphor for building something lasting, one step at a time. From sowing seeds to nurturing plants.
What you just watched was made entirely using Fliki AI, the game-changing tool that's taking YouTube automation to the next level. If you're tired of spending hours scripting, recording, and editing, or if you're just starting out and don't know where to begin, Fliki AI is here to make your life a whole lot easier. Welcome to iTech. If you're into tools that boost productivity and unleash your creativity, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the community. We're diving deep into the best AI tools out there, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Fliki is an AI-powered platform that helps you turn text into engaging videos with human-like voices in minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Text into video. Whether it's YouTube videos, tutorials, podcasts, or even social media reels, Fliki automates it all. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. Fliki's interface is super beginner-friendly. Here's how it works. Go to Fliki AI. You can copy and paste your script or simply text into Fliki. I don't have my script ready, so I just have to type in anything that came to my mind. Choose from their massive library of ultra-realistic AI voices. There are over 75 languages and accents to pick from. Let Fliki match your text with visuals or upload your own media for that personal touch. Click Generate, and your video is ready to share. One beautiful thing about Fliki AI is this. It separated the scenes into script in order to garner matching visuals for each line and sentence. That's not all. The video it generates comes with its own background audio that is copyright-free, so you don't have to worry about copyright. It also comes with matching fonts and transitions. If you were not told, you wouldn't believe all of these were created by an AI tool with just a simple prompt. Apart from just the text-to-video feature, you can also decide to paste your already made script and watch it generate mind-blowing videos. This particular script is artificial intelligence and its impact in our society. All my points are just inside the scripted pasted. Click Generate and watch the magic. There's just no need for video editor anymore with Fliki AI. I personally recommend this tool to lazy creators. Here's what we got. You don't need to bother about the voiceover because it sounds so human and realistic. I will let the video play for 30 seconds.
Good afternoon, everyone. To this empowering educational seminar. Today, we're diving into a phenomenon that's reshaping industries and redefining how we live, work, and connect. Artificial intelligence, or AI. As tech enthusiasts, you know that AI isn't just a futuristic concept. It's the catalyst of today's innovation.
This AI tool can also create simple customized thumbnail for you. Just type in the details you want the thumbnail to be made of and click Generate. Though if you don't like the look, you can tweak the prompt and describe it very well, and the result would always come out perfect. This tool can basically do all things. This AI tool can also create simple customized thumbnail for you. Just type in the details you want the thumbnail to be made of and click Generate. Though if you don't like the look, you can tweak the prompt and describe it very well, and the result would always come out perfect. This tool can basically do all things. There are also several image templates to use to customize the thumbnail. This practically eliminates outsourcing of images or pictures you will be needing for the thumbnail. And that is only when you can make use of these images here. But if you can't, you can outsource. Finally, this particular one will blow your mind. If you have a product online or you are an affiliate marketer operating on platforms like Amazon and the rest, but then you need a video advert for the products you sell. Fliki got you. Simply go to the website. I am using Amazon. Simply copy the link and head back to Fliki and paste it. Drop the description and watch your video generate. The result will shock you. Here's what we got.
Tumblr. Stay refreshed with the Stanley Quencher H2.0 tumbler. Built for busy days, this 30-ounce marvel features double-wall vacuum insulation, keeping your water cold for 9 hours or iced for an incredible 40 hours. Its sleek stainless steel design, paired with a peony finish, exudes subtle sophistication.
You can then download and upload it on your page or channel. So you see that either you go the title prompt feature or the paste script features or the link generation features, Fliki delivers the best. All you would be worried about is how and where to post it. So tell me in the comments, will you use this tool for your YouTube automation? We have come to the end of this video. This is AI Tech. Don't forget to subscribe before leaving. See you in the next one.